Metronaut is a highly authentic dynamic robotic system. It was a software projecting application created by Theodore in 1997. The meteor planet is named Metronaut. It doesn't want to be called anything else because it was created to compete with Metronom. Metronaut therefore works more efficiently on space projects, such as creating magnetic tokens that can beautify planet Earth. One of the magnetic systems is navigation radiation. Furthermore, the software can be used as a functional, active token for the general public, under a limited technology company. Metronaut was deceived by Theodore during its initial creation. The robot refused to enter the planet Theodore had created. The robot is a diamond programmed with active application software, thus becoming a dynamic system within it. We can utilize these elements to enhance the creative diversity of planet Earth. This will benefit humans in interacting and communicating more effectively, and in a more varied way.